The word Kaizen is derived from the two Japanese words Kai is change, Zen is good. So Kaizen together means change for good. And in the context of lean management, it simply means continuous improvement. As lean management seeks to eliminate waste for processes, Kaizen is the concept of creating small positive changes to eventually reap major improvements. Kaizen is not a one specific methodology, but rather it is an attitude based on the cooperation and commitment of all the employees of an organization. If we talk about the origin of Kaizen, it was first introduced by Toyota back in 1980 and has since been adopted by thousands of companies around the globe. Masaki Imai, a Japanese organizational theorist and management consultant, studied the Toyota production system and was the first to introduce the idea of Kaizen to both Europe and North America. As no process is perfect and there is always room for improvement, so Kaizen could be applied for problem solving and improve the standards. Now let's see some examples of Kaizen. Why are shoebox doors needed? To minimize the motion waste, the shoebox doors are eliminated. To oil the pan, a small teapot is more convenient than a ladle. By watching the ribbon movement, one can recognize that the air conditioner is working. Coming to the Kaizen process, we can do Kaizen by following these 7 steps. First step is to identify an opportunity that is an objective for improvement. Second step is to analyze the process. Third is to develop an optimal solution by consulting with other employees. Then implement the solution and study the results. Adjust the results if required. If results are positive, then standardize the solution and adopt it throughout the organization. Finally, repeat the cycle for all future problems. For documenting the Kaizen, a Kaizen action sheet is required. The Kaizen action sheet is a single piece of paper that provides a way for individuals to suggest process improvements within their work area. For example, before Kaizen, in an assembly line of an industry, the operator was assembling the clamp without the use of proper fixture, resulting in more cycle time. After Kaizen, the operator saves 299,520 seconds per month by using the modified fixture for clamp assembly. By embracing small, incremental changes, we can all make a positive impact in our personal and professional lives. So why not start incorporating the principle of Kaizen into your daily routine today? You will be amazed at the results. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep improving.